Today we have a great breakfast recipe made of semolina. These are nutritious and easy to make and handy to carry over. We'll make Suji triangles, or you can say semolina wraps, and they are very convenient to make. You can pre-prepare it and make it when you guest or you need to have them. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell button. And thank you all very much for your unconditional love and support. I hope we continue this journey together. Now let's start with the recipe. For this I have taken here 1 cup of semolina or suji. It's around 150 grams, and I need to make a fine powder of this. So I'll put it in a blender jar here and blend it till we get a fine powder. Fine means semolina is already very fine, and we just need to make it a powder. It looks somewhat like this, like semolina flours, you can tell. So my semolina powder or suji powder is ready here. I have transferred it to a mixing bowl here, and here I have taken homemade curd around half cup or 100 grams. So I'll add this to this suji or semolina mixture, and I'll again add half cup more water. We need to make a paste mixture of this using curd and suji or semolina, and we need to keep it for around 15 to 20 minutes, or half an hour is always good. So just mix it. I think I need a little more water, so in the same cup in which I had taken curd, I'll add just little more water and mix this mixture. So in total till now I have added half cup more water other than the curd. So mix it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, or I said at least half an hour, as you wish. So now again for the stuffing, I have taken a pan here and I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. You can also use butter here, and when the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds crackle, and after that I'll add nigella seeds, or we call it kalonji, around half teaspoon. And once it has crackled, I'll add 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. It totally depends upon you. And then goes 1 large onion finely. Now we need to cook these onions and the tempering on medium flame for around 1 minute. We do not want to cook the onions completely. We just want it semi-cooked. So just fry for around 1 minute. Now I'll add turmeric powder half teaspoon. Then goes red chili powder around half teaspoon, and mix them. The flame is still on medium. Now I'll add green peas. It's fresh green peas. You can also add the frozen ones, around 1 cup. So it's around 100 grams approximately. So mix it, increase the flame to high and give it a nice mix for around 1 minute. Now then goes my favorite ingredients, around 1 tablespoon of chopped cashews. Give it a mix, and then I have taken here 5 boiled medium potatoes. I have grated them. Now if you don't get fresh green peas, you can use the frozen one, and if you are not available with the frozen one also, this recipe will also hold good for only potato stuffing. So it always depends upon you. So I have added here potatoes, grated potatoes, and I have adjusted salt according to my taste. Mix all the ingredients well and add 1 teaspoon of water and cover it and let it cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes, so that the fresh green peas just get tender and the whole things mix up. The flavors gets nicely combined here. And after 5 minutes, open the lid and add chopped coriander leaves, and then goes 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. Mix the mixture nicely, and now my stuffing is looking good here. Turn off the flame and then add around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Make sure before adding lemon juice the flame is turned off, otherwise the mixture would turn bitter. Now give it a nice mix, and my stuffing is looking very good. The combined taste of coriander leaves, green chili and the nigella seeds with this lemon juice gives a very nice tangy and different flavor to the stuffing. So as I said, this recipe holds good if you pre-prepare things, and the stuffing can be prepared beforehand. Now let the stuffing get cooled, and now we'll start making our wrappers. So my mixture has been nicely marinating with curd for around 15-20 minutes now. Just mix it. You'll see it will become a very fine paste, and then we'll add water, half cup water. So total I have taken here 1 cup more water. Then I'll adjust salt according to my taste. So 1 cup semolina, half cup curd, and in total 1 cup water. Half cup I had added beforehand, then I have added half cup now. So if this is the size of the spoon, around 12 to 13 wrappers can be made from this amount of mixture. So this looks good now. Now let's start making these wrappers. I have heated a pan here on medium flame, and then I have reduced the flame to low. I'll add around 1 teaspoon of oil, and I will use a tissue paper to level it. Then I'll increase this flame to medium and add 1 teaspoon of water, and again wipe it out. So my pan is ready to make the wrappers. I'll pour 1 spoon of mixture and circle it in this way to make a fine wrapper here. See how beautifully the wrappers automatically sticks out of the pan here, and it is so tender. It will take just around 30 to 40 seconds for one wrapper to cook. It's almost like spring wraps. You can see here how beautiful my wrappers have been made. So I'll prepare all the wrappers in this way. You can also prepare 2 wrappers simultaneously. So you can always prepare the wrappers and keep it, and you can always prepare the stuffings, and when you need, or when they're guests, or when you need to have them really crisp and hot, you can make these Suji triangles instantly. So 2 wrappers are doing good here, you can see, and you only need to grease the pan once, and then the pan goes very well. See, my wrappers are done here. Now let's start making this triangle, Suji triangles. So I'll take 1 wrapper and I'll put the stuffing in the middle, not more, just so that you can fold the sides. Now what I'll do, I need to make a triangle out of this, so I'll just fold it from left side and right side and in the shape of triangle in this way, and then finally the below layer, and just tap it in this way. I don't need anything to paste it, just fold it and keep the folded side down in this way, and it will be good. And there is no need of corn flour slurry or anything. This will automatically stick to one another once we make them crispy in the pan. In the same way, I'll prepare other triangles here. See how beautifully this can be folded in the shape of triangles. Just do it in a very gentle hand. We don't need to break these triangles. And suppose one of the wrappers get a bit dark color in this way, as mine one wrapper. So what we need to do, just turn it over and put the stuffing on the darker side, so that the lighter sides goes up, so that we can, when we roast it, it gets a nice color. So my Suji triangles are good now. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil on the pan. Just use a tissue paper to smooth it. Now I'll add the wrappers. Add as much that can be fitted on your pan. Then goes 1 teaspoon of oil on the top, and now we need to roast them on medium flame till both sides gets crispy. My Suji wrapper now has got beautiful brown roasted color, and the folded sides, as I had told you, they have been glued very nicely. See, in this way I'll prepare all my wrappers. They are so tasty, so yummy, and you can see how beautifully they have cooked here. I have served these Suji wrappers in a beautiful platter here, and there goes some tomato ketchup. You can also serve with some mayonnaise. My yummy, delicious, very nutritious Suji triangles are ready here. You can see how beautifully they have been prepared, soft and delicate from inside, and a little crispy from outside. And the best part in this recipe is that you can change the amount of veggies in the stuffing first and second. This is a recipe that comes handy when you have a party or more guests. You can pre-prepare it and prepare it instantly when your guests arrive. So I hope you have liked the recipe. If you liked the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Do press the like button, and do not forget to share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.